Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a credit card in Amazon app. So let's get started. So here we are in Amazon in our iOS, or if you're in Android, don't worry, it's basically the same. And from here, what you want to do is tap on the three horizontal bars on the bottom right of your screen. So from here, what you want to do next is that you want to go and sign in with your account. If you are not signed in yet on your Amazon app, then you should be able to see the sign in button right here. Or if you don't have an account, then you can just register for a new account because that is what is needed before you proceed to adding a payment methods or credit card. So once you are here, signed in into the app, what you want to do next is tap on the profile icon at the bottom left of your screen right here. So once you are here and now you're logged in, you want to go tap here on your payments right here under your account. Tap on that. And from here, you want to tap on add a payment method. And then from here, what you want to do is tap on add a credit or debit card. And from here, all that's left basically is just to provide your card number, expiration date, a security code, the name, and so on. Right here, you can choose your bank right here and so on. Just provide the details of your card right here. And basically that is all that's needed to do. And then the add and continue button should not be grayed out here anymore. You should be able to tap it once you are all good with the details right here. So that is basically how you add your credit card here in Amazon. So thank you for watching.